All right, so now let's simulate a condition or a situation where you're getting this success message, but the email is not being sent. So you get a success message through, and yet you don't get the email, or you even get an error in your console. Let me show you what I mean. So I'll open my internet, and I want you to actually see this. I'll connect to another internet provider. The one I told you somehow was blacklisted, or was flagged for maybe email issues and stuff. So I'll come here and I'll try to send this email again. So watch what happens. Let me make sure that my console is here. The server running. I'll try to send this same email again. So let's see. Send. Aha, you see, I get a success message. Reset email sent. But because there is an issue with this email, this internet service provider, that email will not get to my email address. So just hold on just a second and watch what happens in the console here. We're going to get an error. So I'll expand it. Okay, so it took a couple of seconds, but if you come here, you see that I'm getting this error. You see, um, is an is a timeout error, because it tried to send the email, and for some reason it was not allowed. The IP address was being blocked. It wasn't allowed to send it. So you may get an error like this, and oh, you are concerned that, oh, does it mean I'll not be able to send email? Maybe you should just switch your internet provider, and it may be different. But once you get that success message, just know that your setup is working correctly. Now when eventually you send your email, when you upload your project to the server, it's going to use the IP address of that server, which most likely is not blocked by any email sender, because those guys are, they know what they are doing. Even if they get blocked, they know how to unblock themselves, how to purge their DNS and all of that. So I just wanted to do this video so that you don't get stuck and say that, oh, I'm not able to receive the email or something like that. No, 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 no. If you get any error that has to do with something like timeout or something like that, just know that maybe it's your IP address or some other reason that I'm not even aware of. But by the time we deploy our application to the server, you'll see that it will keep sending. It will, because it will be using the IP address of the server to send the email. All right, so that's about it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.